Hey guys, so Awang Azli here. Yeah, I know it's been a while that I'm not post any video in YouTube. Yeah, because I'm too busy doing other things like my client job and like other weddings and so on. So, so for today, I just want to show you guys my last vlog. I think it's my third vlog. So I hope you guys just enjoy it. Yeah, but I just want you guys not to laugh with my video because this video is I feel like so awkward because it's been a while that I'm not doing any vlog video. So I hope you guys just enjoy it and yeah, maybe try to learn something from the video. I guess so. So yeah, without further ado, just roll my intro. Okay guys, it's been a while I'm not vlogging, so this is I think my third vlog. So actually today I was go for my trip at Kota Kinabalu, Sabah. So this is the first place we go is I think this one we call the Signal Hill. So I think this one is the better place when we go to for the high hill, high view lah. So I think okay guys, sorry for the first shot. It was blur because I can't even see myself because I don't have a flip display. So actually I want to show you something. Let me see here. Okay. So actually we can see everything Kota Kinabalu town from this view. So I think this is the best place if you guys want to see the whole view of Sabah, Kota Kinabalu. Okay guys, so this is our second place, but we are already a bit late because we get the sunset, but only for the photo. So it's already late because we actually rushing over here because we got a traffic jam. So I think this is the end of
day one
vlog for day one. So I will see you guys for tomorrow. Okay guys, so today we are going to Kota Kinabalu. So we are going to Kudansang, and so this is our trip for today. So enjoy the video. Hi Opa. Hi Jess. Okay guys, so now we are at Anak village. So now it's at 2:30 PM. So we are going to inside and I will show you the videos. guys, so we have arrived at Pamata deh. Pamata Pouring Hot Spring. So now we are going to enter the hot spring, and I thought we gonna go at this evening, but so today we already late. So just roll the video. Hi guys, so we are at Cockle Hill, and as you can see, it have a nice view, and I'm here with Wafa, Azil, and ini dua orang itu. Wait I show you guys. There is, yeah, we are the woo, tengoknya duanya. Look at both of them. Look at Jess. So I will show you guys around about this place. So roll the video. Hey guys, so how the video? I'm not sure if it's better to you or it's good video for you, but I guess yeah, I'm just doing it for fun. So yeah, I just want to mention one things. Actually I'm not even have a time to end my vlog because I think we have got some problem that day, so I couldn't tell you guys lah. Okay, so I just want you guys to enjoy the video, and I hope you subscribe my YouTube video, and I will upload more after this. I hope so. If I'm not too busy. So that's all for me, and I subscribe, like my video, share if you guys want to share my video, and that's all from me. So peace.